Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete messages in Chai AI. So start off by launching your Chai AI. If you're new to it, ensure you have created a Chai AI account and you are logged in. So in your Chai AI, you can easily search for characters and you can message them. Now, if you wish to delete any of this message, it's quite simple. You will see an interface like this at the bottom. Navigate to the message bubble icon. Then right here in the section, you will find every chat that you have conducted so far in your Chai AI. Now to delete all of the messages, all you can do is just click on the delete all button. If you wish to delete one by one, you can do so. Or for a convenience, just click on delete all and tap on the delete all button. Then after this, all of the chats will be removed from your Chai AI. If you face any of the difficulty regarding this, you can press and hold to your Chai AI, head to the app info, then force start it so that you can give it a new refresh. That's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.